Good morning, sir, madam. I'm baby Sharon Ibia, 41 years old, married. I have three children, two girls and one boy. Their ages are 17, 11, and 9. I have also two brothers and one sister, and I'm the youngest in the family. I'm Iglesia ni Cristo and I'm from Badok, Ilocos Norte. I'm a college graduate, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. My experience is here in the Philippines for 2 years. I'm taking good care for one children with the age of 10 years old. I am a hardworking Sir Madam and I'm willing to learn more, Sir Madam. And I promise, Sir Madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities, Sir Madam. That's all. Thank you.